Odette here, and welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are doing super awesome. Hope you are doing well. Hope you are wonderful. Thank you for watching. I do appreciate you clicking on this video today. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I do invite you to please subscribe before you go. So in today's video, I'm going to be testing out this product from Miss Fenty Beauty. This is the Easy Drops Blurring Skin Tint. And this is light to medium coverage for all skin types. It says blends and blurs to instant perfection, light as air. And the shade that I do have here is number 18. I'm not quite sure if this is gonna fit my skin, but I don't really think it's so much more for a fit your skin type of thing. It's just to help to blur and to make your skin nice and even. So, and this is the lovely packaging right here from Miss Fenty Beauty. When you look at the packaging, you're gonna say to yourself, wow, this is too light. But I tested this in Sephora, and this seems to be a really good fit for my skin. So we're gonna see how this is going to work. I do have my color correcting on my skin already. So I'm just going to clip my hair back a little. And we're just gonna see how this is going to work. I'm going to use a little sponge to do this. And I'm just gonna see if, yeah, the coverage seems okay. Hope you guys can see that. Okay, it's a little bit watery. There we are. Okay, so let's put this on. Oh wow, it is light as air. What? It blends straight into my skin. Wow, let's just finish the whole face. This blends nicely into my skin, and I like the way this feels. Again, it is very light, and I guess you can get a medium to full coverage with this. Let's just put a little bit more under the eyes, just like so. And we're just going to blend that in. This is a perfect formulation in my opinion, because I mean, you guys know I hate to put a lot of things on my face. I don't like to go in with a lot of cakiness on my skin at all. I just love to keep it really, really light. So let me just blend this in a little bit more. And it is quite buildable too. The coverage is just absolutely perfect. Again, the shade that I'm using is number 18, and this looks amazing. So this is a Fenty Beauty powder. This is in the shade Hazelnut, and I'm just going to use the same sponge, but I'm just going to use the back side of this to powder my face. And I like using sponges to put my powder on for some reason. I don't know why. We're just going to blend this out. And I think you can also just use the skin tint and then go in with like a blood powder from MAC and just keep it really simple as well. But this is absolutely lovely. This is great. I really like the coverage and the finish of this. So I'm just going to use the Fenty Beauty lipstick as well. And many of you already have this in your collection. And so we're just going to put some of this on. This is a beautiful red lipstick. So I'm just going to go in with my lip liner. It's called Fun from Becca. So I do like the finish of this skin tint from Miss Fenty Beauty. Brilliant, love it. And of course I went in on top with the powder, and the shade is Hazelnut. And of course this is her lipstick. I'm going to leave everything down below for you guys. So I'm just gonna put a little blush on my cheeks, and this is from NagiCosmetics. It's called GoldFish. If you're dark skin ladies, this is the only blush you need, to be honest. It's just, it gives you such a warm finish on your cheeks. I mean, just look at that. I mean, just to warm up the face a little bit, and that's all you need. And I'm just gonna go over my nose a little, and I think I'm gonna go in with a black eyeliner. And we are done. So I'm gonna go in with one of my favorite setting sprays. This is from NagiCosmetics. It's called Your Skin But Better. And I'm just going to shake this a little. Let me just cover my powder. I don't want anything getting into it. And we are just going to set everything. Okay, my lovely peoples, here we are finished with this makeup today, guys, using this Fenty Beauty Skin Tint. This is a light to medium coverage. My shade is number 18. If you do have my skin tone, number 18 is for you. This is what I will call brilliancy in a bottle. This is going to be on the top of my beauty bar, because this product is amazing. You can build this up, of course, really light as air, and I am not seeing any skin imperfections on my face. It's completely covered, although this is a light coverage. Now, how did they do that, I wonder? Because normally when I do my makeup, I would say to you guys, you can still see my skin imperfections, which means I did not put on heavy coverage foundation, because I really hate full coverage foundation, because I don't like to go in with too many things on my face. I hate it. But with this, it's just perfect. This is going to be at the top of my beauty bar for sure. Brilliant, amazing. Number 18, my shade. I'm going to leave everything in the description box for you guys. And on that note, this is the end of the video. I do hope you guys enjoy. Let me know your thoughts in the description box below. I did not use a hell of a lot of things on my face today, but whatever I use on my face is going to be in the description box for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Odette, and I shall see you guys next time. Toodles!